you are going to be making your own multimedia page. So your page is going to have embedded audio. It's going to have audio links. You're going to have embedded video. You're going to have video links. And you're also going to have at least one iframe. So basically the same stuff you had to do in the textbook assignment zoo page, you need to do in multimedia. So I've created an example for you, and we're just going to kind of go through the requirements. Now, how I created this, I actually started with the zoo page. So you might want to open up the zoo page, save it as multimedia, and then customize it for this assignment. So obviously you can see I added a different background image. I actually went out to Google Fonts and grabbed this pretty awesome Halloween font, and I totally changed the color scheme so that it kind of goes with Halloween. I got free sound files from the resources that I provided in the textbook assignment. There's a couple links there. I went out and I basically looked for Halloween sounds because that was the theme of my page. And so I've got the embedded sound file. I've got links to the one sound file saved in 3 different formats. Okay, so your first requirement is to embed a sound file. Your second requirement is to have 3 links to another or different sound file. Okay, so basically I took, and chances are you're going to end up with an MP3. So I took the MP3 file, and I actually used Cloud Convert. But if you download Audacity, you can open up a sound file and you can export that file into the different formats that you need. Okay, so you need 3 different sound formats here. And you're going to want to test them and make sure that they work. Okay, and this is Chrome, so Chrome can handle all 3 of these. Okay, so that's my sound section. Let me scroll down here. You can see I have my autoflow turned on. So I've got my video links. So this is a link to a YouTube video. And in the video demo that I did, when we got to the YouTube section, I did show you how to find out what the link would be. So I do have a video link here. So very Halloween. Okay, and then this is my grand dog. I don't have grandchildren, I have a grand dog. And so I created the video. She's very motivated by food. So the video is of her doing tricks for her treat. So I've got that in the 3 different formats. And I also embedded the same video. So if you have a video that you want to use, save it into the different formats, and you certainly can link to them as well as embed. Just make sure that when you embed that you are including all 3 sources, because that is something I check for. So these are all pretty much going to the same video that is embedded.
Callie said, good girl. High 5. Woo, good girl. Sid, shake. Good girl.
Yeah, she's a pretty smart dog. Anyway, so that's another requirement, 3 video links and 1 embedded video. Remember, you have to have 3 different sources there though. And then this is my iframe one that I got from YouTube. So I basically went to YouTube and I looked for Halloween cartoons. This one came up, and then I copied the iframe code, and the video demo in the lecture shows you how to do that. So I copied the iframe code and put it into here. So that's basically what you have to do. And I did use Flexbox in this as well because I did model it after the multimedia page. Now, one change that I made is I displayed in columns, as you can see. So if I right click and I view the source, you can see that I did some justify with space between. I turned on wrap, and for the direction, I decided I wanted column on this one. And that was partly because of the size of the video. I just wanted a little wider space for it. And then as you go through, you'll notice I changed all the coloring. I grabbed the Google font, so I'm using that on the headings, and it made quite a few adjustments to that.